Okay, guys, I am super excited about this installation. I've been working with the creator to, well, not working with the creator, but I told the creator the dream for Chocolate City, which is basically runs like The Sims, right? But the NPCs are sentient, basically. Um, and so he then told me he was working on this particular script or system, and that was exactly what we were looking for. So we're going to install that today, and we're going to see how it works. Um, as you guys know, I typically do this in silence with my mic off and my music on, but YouTube be wildin'. So YouTube is not trying to hear any music. Everything must be 100% original, and I'm not trying to get another strike. Get another strike, I'm absolutely up out of here. Oh, let me hold on. I'm gonna save that to watch later. Yes. Okay. So let me just check my channel and make sure everything's copacetic. What's up, J Rock? So, for those of you that are used to seeing a lot of action from my channel, this might be a little bit boring or different, but this is actually behind the scenes of how I am um, deving, what they call it in the GTA side of things, and or if we were on the meta side of things, world building. So it's definitely different. So let's see. I want to make sure that we have everything here. Adding AI into a city is um, super dope. I already have a lot of AI in my city, honestly, but it's not a learning. Like I really want to see how far we can push the limits of having an AI world. Let's see. The routers reach the text. Okay. So let's look at these installation instructions. Okay, so let me copy this. We're going to go ahead and put this in our Lua. Let's see here. Go into my server Lua. We're going to make sure we have these things stored here. Okay, we should already have GRP bridge here because I have something else of theirs. Make sure I don't want any duplicates. QB core. GRP bridge. Where are you? Oh, don't have GRP bridge here. All right, cool, cool, cool. Save that then. Okay. My API key. Now, eventually, I'm going to want to change this over to my own link, my own GPT. I'm going to give the creator my API key for my large language model. I've been training for 5 years plus, and it knows absolutely everything about Chocolate City. Uh, J Rock said, I was thinking about getting back on RP. Is it still popping? Yes. Yes, it really is. I think it's popping according to, the group you play with. But it's 5,500 million cities. Um, just pick one. They all do the same thing, but it's about where your community is for the most part. Um, I did get tired of a lot of the shenanigans, so yeah. And that's why I have my space where I can kind of do my own thing. I like to play differently. Like I'm a gamer, so a lot of the RP is I call it Second Life GTA. because people are going in there and they want to use the apps or the gaming sites as a dating app. I'm a gamer, so I want to play the game, right? With my friends. I mean, other people that like to play the game, do heists, RP, cops and robbers, all that type shit, have fun. I'm not into that other stuff. So, yeah, unpopular opinion. Following API. Now, what if I don't have 11 labs? Not an API key. Okay, so let's copy this. So, this will be mm, a process. So we may do this more than once. Okay, but it says here, okay, so add this in here, API, and add those there, okay, as per instructed. Okay, go to Open Router and create an account. So let's do that. Sign up. Move on to our Google joint. Yes. Dun. Continue here. Agree. I probably should have read that. Okay, so this is going to give us our language and our API. All right, so easy peasy. Back here. Oh, were we in the replay? No, we were here. Damn it, I hate this thing. You all. All right, let's go back to a new window. Come back here. We can come back to the README. Open up the Git book again. Okay, good. That's where I can reach it. Okay. Create. Mm-hmm. Damn it, other. Not sure. Oh, friend colleague. Create API key. Let's put this as chocolate. Okay. Yeah, damn, that's a long ass code. So we're gonna copy that, and for safekeeping, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my Discord. Got my little guide. Okay. Listen, you gotta keep your shit together, okay? Mm, mm. Okay. So we've copied that. Make sure. Damn it. Pain in the ass to keep opening up in new windows. Keep having to open this shit up. Copy it and paste it into your Open Router API key. What the hell is that? Your open router API key. Where the fuck? Wait a minute. Go back. Hmm? Your open router API key. Am I missing something? Yeah. Okay, one more time. Let's just say you will not see it again. Okay. I don't see nothing that says your open router API key. All right, let's move on to the next step. Let's hold that. Okay. Copy the generated and paste it into. Huh? And then what? Your open router API key. Where am I supposed to put this? Am I supposed to put it in the server? Oh, the joy. So stupid. There we go. 11 Labs key. Okay. I think I got an 11 Labs account. Yeah, I do. Ooh, not embarrassing. I am not paying for this shit. Okay, just give me my little free key, sir. I'm not trying to pay for that. Did it happen again? Problem with this thing. This shit open. So we come over here. Gotta click and click the shit again. Jesus. Gotta click open in a new link. All right. Select, click create API key. Mm, mm, what the hell is API key? And that's it. Create API key. There we go. Create key. The name, again, Chocolate City. No restrict. Okay, then we will restrict it. Text, speech. We're gonna create a list. I'm just gonna make it open because Don't say what to do here, so I'm just going to make sure it has the ability to do whatever it needs to do. Just give it access to everything. Access, right, right. We need to be able to write. It won't let us write. Workspace. All right, fine. All right, so create the key, copy to the clipboard, and take it back into the Lua. Here we put our key. Now we gotta do the golden one. I'm gonna copy that and I gotta put it in my Discord. This one is the 11 labs, and this one was the, what was it? The something else. Open router. That's what it was. Okay, there's that. And now we gotta do the golden. Okay, create or select a project. They always give so much shit. Like, select the project, create project. Okay, so we're gonna name this project Chocolate City. Create it. Now it's set to Cloud Text to Speech API. Cloud. I wish they made this shit like, there we go. Enable. Mm, okay, continue. Part three. Jesus Christ. Okay, we're gonna put the address of the company. So this is not. Mm, 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 mm. Enable cloud text to speech API. Post me on the main to create credentials. Jesus. I don't know what the fuck this is talking about. What? Why is it asking for all of this shit? Just give me the goddamn code. Text to speech API. Um, I don't see where the fuck this is at. It doesn't say nothing about credentials. It says enable, generate from the Google Cloud Console. Okay. Google Cloud Console. What the hell is this? Yes, I need an assist. What? What? Oh my God. Please generate my text to speech API. Because God forbid it would just be in a space where it's just simple to find. That's too much to ask. Do that. Oh my God. Are you fucking kidding me? This is the whole fucking process. Do I have to do this? Optional. Google is optional. I'm gonna use Google. I feel like I'm gonna want to do this later, but I'm not talking about that right now. My brain. I haven't had enough coffee. Open, select your preferred target system, text, your exchange once configured, restart your server. Will be ready to use. Really? Hmm, that's simple, huh? Doubt it. But let's go in here and put it in our standalones. Okay, go. All right. And first, we're gonna open up our SQL. Okay, we're gonna put this in the database. Okay, let's go ahead and start that. Refresh. Okay, let's make sure it's in here. Okay. Mm-mm. Okay, there we go. It's here. All right, go ahead and close that out. So, we'll go ahead and put this here. We got the bridge in here already. Make sure it's the latest version. Let's look it up this way. GRP. Okay, yeah, we got the latest version. All right, let's come to open this up. Let's look at our config. Okay. Do enable randoms. 10 seconds. Coin membership required false. Huh. I will enable that because only people that this is their home city. Maybe not. Let's just leave it to where it is. Voice and speech configuration. Push to talk key. Voice system one. 11 labs. Router. Text only. Google Cloud. Okay. Memory and conversation history. 10 minutes. Okay. Warm and welcome. Okay. Okay, Sophia. Officer Davis. And I can add more scenario NPCs. Perfect. But um, I like that. So we got English, interactions. Okay. Now we're gonna leave. Let's save this. Okay. I'm gonna leave this config open so that we have easy access to our first person that we're gonna look at. Animations, hospital. Okay, we do use Wasabi Ambulance. So we're gonna go ahead and copy that, put that here. Okay, so it looks like I have to make sure that these vectors are in place. Okay, because we have a couple of hospitals. More can be added here. Pillbox, Dr. Model, check-in, short and direct questions, pharmacy ped, pharmacy items. Okay, so we're gonna have to update this because we got a lot of pharmacy items. All right, but we'll take it one step at a time. Let's go ahead and save that, close that out. At least we know what we have to do. Knowledge, the knowledge. This is called. Okay, so first of all, come in here, get this together. Mayor of Chocolate City. Chief Ramirez. We don't have a police chief. If you are in, entertainment, tech, anything besides the violent side. Chocolate City. Let's see there. PDN. I'm pretty sure those coordinates are the same. Let's go ahead and save this. The knowledge. Now I'm gonna have to come back and get that done. Mechanics. Davis mechanic. Okay. Not the mechanic. Shops. Okay. Items. He out here selling shit. $2 in Chocolate City. Hell to the nizzle. Okay, we know we're gonna have to configure this. We might as well leave this open because the one thing, no, no, shop configurations. I think we're gonna have to, we have advanced shops, but what I don't want to do is have duplicates. And he don't even sell the right things. So it's ammunition, like this is not our ammunition stuff. He's selling a knife, a bat, and some baby in Chocolate City. We're gonna need a lot more than this. Okay. All right, so we know we're gonna have to leave that open because that might cause a problem. Okay, I think animations we're good on these. Let's see what else we got. Let's go back. Assets. Make sure we're good. Okay. Then, okay. Let's look at this. Visual codes. Talk, talk. Mhm. Clean up found. All right, all of this looks like we're ready to go. Right, good to me. PI World, standalone, client. All right, we're good to go with that. Track key, key label, distance, enables interaction with randoms, voice and speech. I just hope they don't sound like and da ba ba ba. Personalities. Ah, predefined. Always follow the defined role and behavior personality prompt. Which influences is being used. Okay, we have wasabi. We did that. Just a factual statements about your state. Oh, okay. So let's do that now so we don't have to do it later. Mm, here. And here. Oh no, it was knowledge. It was knowledge. It was knowledge. Boogie. Mm, put Madam. Hustle's the mayor. This is the city's wanted sitter on. Mhm. One of us, and that's your ass. 10 goes on tourist visas and then permanent residence. Economy thrives on hustle, baby. Chocolate City. The, ch- the Chocolate City economy thrives on hustle. Um, So the chocolate city economy thrives on hustle. Most everything is legal. You can be a street entrepreneur, a barber, sell bootleg DVDs, man, everything makes bread here. Main industries include entertainment. Okay, we can take this out. Take this out. Ends in manipulation and customs. Heavy bribes. Right here. Current events include, that sounds crazy. Gang activity, off chain. Yeah, stay out of the hood if you don't want that kind of smoke. Ew. Okay, so we're gonna save this. Save. All right, so we gotta look at these cut and fakes once we restart. All right, let's go back. Knowledge mapping, the leadership events, for better navigation, responses. Okay. Gotcha. Comma, mm, news center is fat, black, cat. Find it on the map. Fine. Save it. Mm. God, I need some music. Mm. Shop config. No, we're gonna disable the shop category. Oh, I don't want to delete. No, anyway. Mm. Okay. So what this tells me about the shop system AI powered shops. I think the black market should be. We're gonna start out with the black market shop. Um, here we go, the shops. Shop config. Okay, we're gonna disable this for now. YouTube, we're going to make false for now. It's such an expansive shop system right now. Ammunition, we are going to make this false because we got a guy in there. Digital den. Let's leave this true. Let's make this false because our guy is at utool. We don't have an open digital den, so enabled. We're gonna not enable this shop. Black market, enabled true, illegal true, blit false. Okay, I'm gonna put some flash in here for him. Gate crack. That was gate crack. Burger shot. He ain't even got the burgers in the burger shop. Enabled false. Let's see how he works. We could go and get food. We know what a burger shot is, but I'm not a chef. It's a male. He's selling sandwiches, water bottles, and Coca-Cola. We got no burger shop food. He can't do us like that. Let's see if we can save this and get some burger shop food up in there. Okay, let's go to our resources. When you get into our inventory, right? Let's see. Let's get into our shared items here. You know we love some burger shop. Vodka. Just looking to see what we can add in from burger shop in here. Ooh. Mm. I'll build me a world. Yo, listen, when I tell you that my friend one is making an album, 44 albums, and it's called I'll Build Me a World. Exactly what I'm talking about, B. How's the Berkshire shit? Moonshine. Ooh, okay, focus. Focus. Excuse me. Seed and weed, drinking items. Like, where is Burger Shot? Okay. There we go. All right. So he should only be selling combos. Copy this. And we're gonna put it in the shop. And we're gonna say this is the heart combo. That price is not that. I'm gonna put that at 500. We got the money shot combo. You know what? Let's put the four to go combo. Four to go combo. We're gonna put that at 550. What about some chicken nuggets? Not the goat wrap. You know what? But let's just go with the money shot. Let's just go with the money shot. I like the money shot. Okay, money shot. That's gonna be a little bit more expensive. Let's put that one at 650. Okay, and we're gonna save this. Make sure we got commas on our shit. Because sometimes I should be fucking up. I need to start cursing so much. All right. Got commas after everything here? Yes. Okay. Shops. Anything else in the shops? All right. So all we've enabled here is Burger Shot and the black market. Everything else should be off. False, false, false. We worked too hard, child. Mm-mm. Okay, so we're gonna leave these up so that we know where to go. Okay, we can close the items floor. Export. Okay, so I guess that's it. Okay, we've done this. We've done this. The only thing we didn't do is the Google key because that should look crazy. Mhm. Did that. We did that. Oh, the bridge file. That's the last thing we need to do, right? GRP bridge. Bridge. Visualization. Right, that looks good. That looks good. Go back. Server. Let's go right into the configuration. Debug false. Framework is target. Let's just put Qt target here. Next, QS inventory. Fuel. We have QS fuel stations. Copy. Paste that. Vehicle keys. Let's just leave that auto. Okay. Save this. Okay. Close that. All right, I think we're good. Start your server. I'm so excited. All right, let's restart. See what we got. All right, time to go in the city. Let's see what's happening. I'll be so mad if I gotta restart my damn computer. Uh, sign in. Okay, continue. Come on now, don't be acting suspect when we trying to do something. Fly. Connected. Okay. All right, let's see. Mhm. Okay, now please connect me into my. Oh, connection failed. CFE is down. CFX is down. It can't be down. I'd be so mad if I gotta start all over again. What is going on? Mm, the city is online and up and running. All right, try again. I don't know why I can't connect to my city right now. It's saying that I may have to restart my whole joint. Okay, here we go. Oh my God, platform status. There's no current service alert. It's an issue authenticating my game session. Verify your internet connectivity. I'm on the internet. Clearly, all systems operational. All right, so I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna have to go for. I'm gonna have to restart my computer. I'm so sorry, guys. I gotta restart because it's not trying to recognize your girl, B. It's really not. And look at this. It's not acting right. And look, it unlinked me again. Yeah, it's just not acting right. I don't know what's going on, but all right.